Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. And then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Japan and the United States are working on merging a summit between Prime Minister Fumio Kishida and President Joe Biden is in New York around SWAP's 20 to discuss security in South Asia. The news reported on Saturday. China is raising pressure on Taiwan, North Korea, and nuclear death threats, and Russian invasion of Ukraine are among the issues to be discussed, with the summit likely to be held on the sidelines of the United Nations General Assembly meeting. Kyoto said cutting course in governments. Kishida is also likely to attend the funeral of Queen Elizabeth, a British together with Japan's Emperor Noriri before visiting the United States. TV Asahi reported earlier on Saturday. Biden, ha- Biden has said he will attend the Queen's funeral. Raising pressure on Taiwan, North Korea's nuclear threats and Russian invasion of Ukraine are among issues to be discussed, with the summit likely to be held on the sidelines of the United Nations General Assembly meeting, Kyoto said, citing sources in both governments. Kishida is also likely to attend the funeral of Queen Elizabeth in British together with Japan Emperor Naruhito, Naruhito before visiting the United States. Reporter Lynn on Saturday Bin has said will attend the Queen's funeral. United States are working on emerging a summit between Prime Minister Fumio Kishida and President Joe Biden in New York around 20 to discuss security issues in Asia. The news reported on Saturday, China raising pressure on Taiwan, North Korea nuclear death threats, and Russia's invasion of Ukraine are among issues to be discussed, with the summit likely to be held on the sidelines of the United Nations General Assembly meeting. The said, citing sources in both governments. Kishida is also likely to attend. Intel would like to remind you that the data confident is this website is not necessarily in random right, and Fox's prices are not private by exchange but rather by markets, and so prices might not be accurate and might differ from the actual market price, meaning price and prices and not appropriate to trading purposes. Therefore, Asian media doesn't bear any responsibility for any trading stories. China raising pressure on Taiwan, North Korea testing threats, and Russian invasion of Ukraine are among issues to be discussed, with the summit likely to be held on the sidelines of the United Nations General Assembly meeting, as said sitting course in both governments. Kishida is also likely to attend the funeral of Queen Elizabeth in Britain together with Japan Emperor Naruhito before visiting the United States. TVSA he reported early on Star Saturday. Biden has said he will attend the Queen's funeral. Fashion media would like to remind you that the data contained in this website is not necessarily at the time not a scar, not profit by exchange but rather by market markers, and so price might not be ascribed and might differ from the actual market price, meaning price are expenses and not appropriate for trading purpose. Therefore, fashion media doesn't bear any privacy for any tiny loosely you. The VSC reported line on Saturday Biden has said he will attend the Queen's funeral. Okay, just that from me, and then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.